And we begin with breaking news that's coming in. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Delhi has met with the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar just a day after she'd gone ahead and moved the Supreme Court against him. And Mamata Banerjee didn't hold back. If that meeting was meant to resolve any differences, clearly it didn't. And you can see in the images there, Mamata, who's usually always wearing white, chose to wear black in protest, along with all the other TMC leaders who are part of this delegation. She's called the Chief Election Commissioner, Gyanesh Kumar, as arrogant. She's called him a liar. She said very clearly that they were treated very badly by the Election Commission chief. And not just that, she even claims that she told the CEC that he'll meet a similar fate as that of Dhankar. Here are some highlights of what Mamata Banerjee said.
हमारा बंगाल में क्या होता है टाइटल में, चाहे हम ममता बनर्जी है, वो हम इंग्लिश में लिखता है, लेकिन बंगाल में होता है ममता बंदोपाध्याय, चटर्जी में होता है चट्टोपाध्याय। ऐसा करके जितना भी नाम उसका दिमाग में नहीं आया वो पूरा काट दिया। पहले 58 लाख को काट दिया, किसको? हाँ, जो डुप्लीकेट है काट दिया। हम लोगों ने भी कहा था 25 में कि देखो एक नाम का सब हरियाणा का 50 नाम जोड़ दिया, इसको चेंज होना चाहिए, जेन्युइन वोटर का नाम रहना चाहिए। लेकिन ये लोगों ने क्या किया? ये लोगों ने एआई को बैठा के जो डॉटर, जो हमारा बेटी को शादी होता है तो ससुरालय जाता है कि वो शिफ्टेड किया है, उसका एड्रेस बस कैंसिल। अभी जो डॉटर ससुरालय जाते हैं, ये हमारा परंपरा है, बहुत सारे टाइटल चेंज करता है। जो टाइटल चेंज किया हस्बैंड का साथ, उसको भी कैंसिल कर दिया। हम बहुत दिन दिल्ली में पॉलिटिक्स किया है, हम 4 टर्म्स मिनिस्टर थे, 7 टर्म्स MP थे, लेकिन हम कभी ऐसा इलेक्शन कमीशन को नहीं देखा जिन्होंने इतना एरोगेंट है, ग्रेट लायर है। हम उनको कहा था कि आपको कुर्सी को रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज नो चेयर इज परमानेंट फॉर एनीबॉडी, वन डे यू हैव टू गो, बट डोंट क्रिएट दिस प्रेसिडेंट एंड ओनली व्हाई बंगाल इज बीइंग टारगेटेड। लोकतंत्र में इलेक्शन होता है, डेमोक्रेसी का फेस्टिवल, और आपने क्या किया? पहले 58 लाख लोगों को बात दिया, निकाल दिया, और उनको आप डिफेंड भी करने नहीं दिया।
Okay, let's bring in Aishwarya Paliwal for more details on this. Aishwarya, if there was any hope of some sort of a breakthrough in the deadlock between the TMC and EC, that clearly didn't happen. If anything, Mamata Banerjee has come out only to target the Chief Election Commissioner all the more. Take us through what really you picked up from your sources or what transpired in that meeting.
Well, Akshita, from what we are understanding at the moment, Mamata Banerjee put forth all the documents. It was the CEC, Gyanesh Kumar, who very clearly pointed out and said that there have been cases, multiple cases rather, in the state of West Bengal where people have not been able to prove that they actually are citizens of our country. And one thing is very, very clear, that only those who are citizens of India are the ones who are allowed to vote. Mamata Banerjee, however, when she came out, and I'm standing right outside the Election Commission building, let me tell you, and you rightly pointed out that, she's someone who always wears white because she is protesting. She in fact is also alleging that because they were not being heard properly in protest, they boycotted the meeting, came out, and she's now alleging that they have very clearly told the Election Commission that this is something that they will not allow to happen in the state of West Bengal. The TMC and the Chief Minister are now alleging that names are being deleted. She's also saying that they need to understand that people do change their names, names are being changed, but people are giving out documents, and all those people who actually came with her, they came with proof. So all those documents, all those proofs have now been submitted to the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission, however, has given them an assurance that they will look into all these complaints, and they will also once again scrutinize the way in which SIR is being done in the state of West Bengal.
All right, thanks very much, Aishwarya, for getting us those details. we'll see how things move from here. Because remember that Mamata Banerjee has already moved the Supreme Court against Gyanesh Kumar. And now after this meeting, she's targeted again the CEC, even saying that he'll meet a similar fate as that of Jagdeep Dhankar.